Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Happy Sunday. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin, and not only Bitcoin dominance. We're going to show you why it's important, what you need to be looking for next, what is the key breakout for Bitcoin dominance, and what that could mean for Bitcoin and the rest of crypto. So let's go ahead and get started. If you like the video today, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon if you want to learn a little bit more. So Bitcoin dominance on the daily chart. This is what we're starting at. Now, as Bitcoin dominance rises, it's simply Bitcoin taking over the rest of the market and showing its true strength. When you get red days like this, that's when alts can start moving a little bit. When you get green days like this, that's when alts tend to not do a whole lot or even trend down against Bitcoin, right? So the big key breakout here is simply 49. If we get above that, why? Because we haven't been above that. It's since the summertime when we started dropping. This is the drop in May, right? This is where alts were booming, right? This downfall as Bitcoin dominance falls, it's just letting loose of its reins over the rest of crypto. You can think of it like that. And when, when the rest of the market is dropping, it often drops faster than Bitcoin, right? Maybe you've noticed that. So when you get a spike out of Bitcoin dominance, that could simply mean the market is going down faster than Bitcoin, or Bitcoin's going up faster than the rest of the market. So when we get above 49, and I do think that's coming in the not so distant future in the next, handful of weeks, maybe even sometime in Q4, maybe go into December, November, something like that. But whenever it happens and we start closing daily above this, that, in my opinion, is when you're going to see some big explosive moves out of Bitcoin. I think we'll be at all-time highs by then, and you'll see some just amazing things. If you've never been around for a Bitcoin dominance show, get ready. You're in for a treat. All right, so let's go look at what else information I have that's more bullish than many people are giving it credit for. So Bitcoin dominance, what is this? What is this chart? This is the ADX and the I. Look is what has just happened. So the red and the green are simply the negative and positive DI, which kind of just, if you want to think of it in terms of bulls and bears. If you need help, the bears are red, the bulls are green. Well, look what's happened. Why is this significant? Well, go back. When is the last time you've seen a green cross to the upside? Let's take a look-see. Well, December, say second week of December, right there, right? Before that, how about the 22nd of October? We're pretty close to that, aren't we? Okay, that was about a year ago, almost to the day, to the week, right? And then after that, we had another one coming back in the second week of December. So what was Bitcoin doing during those times? I'm glad you asked. Let's go look. Bitcoin, those two dates are conveniently already circled in yellow for you. So there is your Bitcoin, the first time the ADX and the I crossed bullish on the Bitcoin dominance. This is what Bitcoin is capable of when you get a bullish cross on the dominance. We haven't had it since this candle. This is the last time we did it. This is the first time we did it. This was over a year ago, right? We've just flashed that bullish cross again out of Bitcoin dominance. Look at the size of these candles. There's a 13% price movement on a weekly scale to the upside. And this one was a 22.5% move, explosive move to the upside. 22.5%. I don't think you understand what kind of power that is. Okay, let's take our current price now, right? This 22.5% would take us almost to $75,000 in 1 week. This is what Bitcoin dominance is important, and this is what is likely coming in the not so distant future. Now, if you're still watching, let's do a little bonus. Today is the weekly close. Why does that matter? I'm glad you asked. Well, simply, it could be the highest closing candle of all time for Bitcoin today. In 11 hours and 25 minutes as of recording, we could close the highest closing weekly candle ever. Here is our previous one right here. Not all-time high, right? Your candle closed at 59,985. The highest ever Bitcoin closing price on a weekly scale. 59,980. We've never closed above 60K. We're at 60K 194 right now. Are we going to do it? If we do it, get ready. You've had a rare bullish cross on the ADX and the I, which we haven't done in about a year, right? The first time we did it in a big way, we had a 13% move. The next time we did it, we had a 22.5% move on a weekly scale. We've just done it again. the times, if you're still waiting to buy in Bitcoin or buy some more, I'm on that table, right? I'd like to buy a little bit more in a pullback. I don't know if we're gonna get it. Okay, so let's wait and see how this close goes. If we close, if we get a little bit of pullback in the next few hours, or sometime between now and 11.5 hours from now, and we close under 60K or under our all-time high, then we might have another week or two. We might get a breather. We might get kind of a retest of this 21-week EMA, which I would expect to hold. This will come up, so let's watch for that. However, if we close like where we are now or higher, the odds are, because that's all you have in crypto, you have to play the odds. The odds are we're very likely going up in the next handful of days, the handful of weeks, in a big way. So I'll leave you with that. Happy Sunday. Watch the close tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. We're going to do a handful of videos tomorrow. So be sure to follow us. We have Telegram, link below. We have a paid Telegram if you like to learn a little bit more and just to help you navigate this market a little bit better. A lot more insight on there, more than what you see on YouTube. So give us a thumbs up on the video, to say the least. And I appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully tonight we get that close. We will see. It's coming. Have a good one.